On the second week of the Synod in Rome, participants have begun to look for ways to make relationships within the church more transparent and harmonious. As bishops, religious and lay people also discuss authority in the church, the role of women continues to be a hot topic. EWTN Vatican journalist Benedicte Cedergren has more.
Pope Francis opened the second week of the Synod, inviting all members of the Synodal Assembly to pray the Rosary at the Basilica of St. Mary Major, invoking the Blessed Virgin to convert the minds of those who fuel hatred.
Madre, rivolgi.
O Mother, turn your maternal gaze upon our human family, which has lost the joy of peace and the sense of fraternity. Mother, intercede for our endangered world, that it may protect life and reject war.
The assembly was opened by the general relator, Cardinal Jean-Claude Hollerich, who invited the participants to finish the work begun a year ago at the start of the Synod, encouraging them to not fall into an excess of abstraction or an excess of pragmatism. Drawing the outline of concrete proposals that individual churches will then be called upon to adapt to different circumstances, is what the Cardinal suggested to all members. At the daily briefings, participants continue to share their experiences from the Synod. While women deacons have been ruled out, the role of women in the Church continues to be one of the main topics of the Synod. Sister Mary Theresa Barron, who currently serves as the president of the International Union of Superiors General, commented on the issue to Vatican journalists.
I think one of the calls from this Synod is to share the possibilities that are open to women for governance, leadership roles within the Church. And we're actually quite ignorant of what is possible at the moment. And that was there's a list actually of the possibilities that exist, and that we should share that good practice and learn from each other.
11 Synod participants are from Germany, a country that in recent years has experienced a controversial national synod process that at various times has also created some tension with the Vatican. In an interview with EWTN News, Abbot Jeremias Schroeder spoke about the importance of the synodal approach for the Church.
Die Synode zur Synodalität, die fasziniert mich wirklich.
I believe that this Synod will not provide us with very concrete answers to the challenges of our time, but rather a change in culture or a change in style. The goal will be that a synodal style will gradually solidify in the Catholic Church and become more deeply rooted, which will lead to a different form of shaping the future together.
The work of the Assembly will continue over the coming days with language groups, general sessions and gatherings called Theological Pastoral Forums to discuss the way the Church on mission can apply synodality. In Rome, Benedicte Cedergren, EWTN News Nightly.